a flip!
Here I go!
Success!
What's going on out here?
Show me your moves.
Yes!
Do a flip!
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
I think I broke his freaking neck.
I think he broke his freaking neck.
I think this guy broke his freaking neck.
Wait a minute, what part of the game is this? See, when I was younger, I wanted to do parkour until I saw the fails. This brother's chin is in his Adam's apple. Homie's neck got more curve than the Jackie Robinson Parkway, more curves than a pool of black women. Give that brother a paralyzed heel. Whenever watching gymnastics during the Olympics, I always thought to myself, what happens to the motherfuckers who don't make the team? Well, look no further. You got your answer right here. His first mistake was wearing a pair of Adidas after the Kanye West controversy. Nike stock is up
27%.
To make matters worse, he had onlookers observe his downfall. What if he had the hoes sit in front row? Homie never graduated from the Huger clan. His 8 trigrams rotation was not successful. Now look at him, a human tombstone without the grave. Laying on the ground looking like an uneaten pretzel that fell out of a bag of party mix. Laying on the ground motionless, looking like a victim in an unreleased episode of Law and Order. The wildest part about this entire story is the fact that out in Colombia, this man do this shit to pass the time for fun. When do you even discover that you good at parkour?
Yeah, well, not anymore, you're not.
Get that brother a Sinzu bean. Take him to Lady Tsunade. Drop him off at the Pokemon Center. He's gonna need a medic. Somebody please call the goddamn EMT.
Finish him!
Die! Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
And welcome to your first day in the afterlife.
Get this man to a hospital, now!
Where the ambulance? Why the man body still right there?
Ain't supposed to be laying
Call the
there.
damn ambulance!